Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Photoprism and Immich. In order to do so, here we are at photoprism.app and we're also at immich.app. Photoprism and Immich are both self-hosted solutions for managing and organizing photos, but they have different features and purposes. Here's a breakdown of each. Photoprism is primarily a photo management tool that uses machine learning to help organize and search through your photos. It features automatic tagging. It uses AI to automatically recognize and tag images. It offers powerful search capabilities, allowing users to find photos via various filters and tags. It handles a wide range of image formats, including RAW files, and can generate thumbnails. It has a user-friendly web interface that it facilitates browsing, managing, and sharing photos, and preserves and displays metadata for your photos. It can be run on Docker or a server environment, requiring some technical expertise for setup. Immich, on the other hand, is focused more on creating a personal cloud storage solution for image and photos with an emphasis on mobile access. It offers a mobile application, iOS and Android, for capturing and uploading photos directly from devices. Users can easily upload images and photos, making it accessible for mobile photography workflows. It provides options for syncing libraries across devices and making backups of your media. Like Photoprism, it can be self-hosted, but typically with a focus on ease of use. It also uses Docker and requires some technical setup, but aims for a smoother experience for those less familiar with self-hosting. It's best for photo management, especially with its advanced AI capabilities and extensive search features. That's Photoprism. And with Immich, due to its dedicated mobile app and simplicity and syncing in uploading mobile devices, it's best for mobile users. In conclusion, choose Photoprism if you're looking for a comprehensive photo management system with robust organizational features. If your priority is having a straightforward solution for managing photos from your mobile device with backup capabilities, Immich would be a much better option. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find links to our X account. We've just gotten started there. We'd love to have you. We also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as discount code Skillcraft60 for Sintra AI and links for Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. We would greatly appreciate it. You'd be helping us out.